gracious. Disgusting. That is growth. Sometimes the nastiest and grimiest job need the quickest cleanup possible. Adams Polish's cleaning towels is going to be the tool for that. Now, nothing drives me more crazy than reeling up my extension cords or my polishing cords, and as I'm reeling them up, my hands get all nasty. So what I like to do is take one of Adams Polish's cleaning towels, and I use the scrubbing side of the towel, and I hold the cord with the towel, and as I reel this up, I run the towel over the top of the cord, cleaning my cord as I put it away. Now, as a DIY detailer, and doing this in my shop, in the Adams Polish's shop, what I like to make sure and do is keep my stuff clean. Not only my car, but I like to keep my detailing tools clean, like my extension cords. I like to clean my polishing cords as well. And the Adams Polish's disposable cleaning towels is a very easy and effective way for me to do that. Now, another detailing tool that gets extremely nasty that I can't stand reeling up is the pressure washer hose. That's dragging around and all the nasty dirt and grime that comes off your car as you wash it. Same thing, as I coil up my pressure washer hose, I have a wipe with me and I clean the hose as I do that. What it does for me is it keeps all of my tools, all of the things that help clean my car, it keeps them clean as well. And what I'm trying to do is live the cleanest lifestyle that I can. And the Adams Polish's cleaning towels is a very effective and easy tool that allows me to do that. Now the towels are sort of unique, okay? They have two sides to them. It has one side that has a scrubbing agent to it, and it has the other side that is a little bit more soft. So the other side that's soft makes it very easy and effective and nice to clean my hands. So a lot of times my hands get really dirty while detailing or just working on my car, doing an oil change, and I can take the Adams Polish's disposable cleaning towels and clean my hands and then take the wipe and dispose of it when I'm done with it. Now, another cool thing about the Adams Polish's cleaning wipes is they have perforations already on it. So if you want to tear off a small piece of the cleaning wipe, you can do that to tackle small, nasty, grimy jobs. Or if you want to take the full towel and tear it in half, really you can customize the size of the wipe that you want to use. Now, high quality microfiber can be expensive. And before we had the cleaning towels, I would use some of those towels, expensive towels, to clean my stuff around the shop. No more, okay? I use the Adams Polish's cleaning towels, the disposable cleaning towels, to clean my stuff. And what I don't have to do now is contaminate the towels that I'm gonna be touching my paint with or my car with. Use them around your home, use them on your outdoor furniture, use them on your grill if you want. The point is, this is a great tool for a quick cleanup. It's disposable, but still very effective, okay? The solution that the wipes are saturated in is a really effective cleaning agent, but still very safe on your skin and your hands. So if your hands get extremely dirty, you can use the Adams Polish's disposable cleaning wipes to clean your hands and move on. Look, somebody who likes to clean their cars and do it at home or in a detailing space like this, I like to keep my stuff clean, okay? I feel like it's a representation of who I am. I want my polishers to look clean. I want my cords to look clean. Look, if you keep them clean consistently, they're gonna look newer for longer, okay? Adams Polish's cleaning towels is a heavy-duty, industrial strength disposable wipe that is a convenient way to keep your detailing tools in your shop space nice and clean.